My father's an attorney, so my why has a lot to do with growing up and watching him go back and forth to court. And, he also taught law. So because of that, I would go into his classes with him and pick up on little concepts. And my mother would share with you that I always had a position, whether it was a red popsicle or a purple popsicle. I always had a position, and I always could explain to her why I had that position. A lot of lawyers will say, well, I like to talk, I like to argue from the time I was really young. But for me, I really like to listen. As I matriculated in my legal career, I started to realize, especially in my line of work, being able to listen is very, very important. What I want my prospective clients to know about me is that I am very, very emotionally invested in my clientele, their cases. I understand that, especially with injured workers, these are people who cannot work and who want to work and who can get bogged down with the workers' comp system. And so what I want them to know is that they don't have to worry anymore, because from the time they walk into my office, I take on that for them and I fight for them and I get upset for them. And even though they say that's not a good thing, you have to be very, very objective. I find in my line of work, being emotionally invested in fighting for my clients has made me who I am today. At the beginning, I always meet with my clients. I never send anyone out to sign them up and, sort of do this whole very, sterile process. For me, it's one-on-one. It's sitting down, it's talking to the client, it's having them understand this is where we're going to go based on what you've told me so far. And things may change along the way, but I'm going to be standing right there with you. We actually have an entire outfit. It's not just me. And sometimes it's very difficult for clients to appreciate that value until they actually become part of our outfit and our system. And then they're very, very grateful and appreciative, because we not only have attorneys that are there at their disposal, but on the employer side, they have case managers, they have nurse case managers, they have insurance adjusters, they have attorneys. So when a client comes in the door and they sign up with our firm, they're not just getting representation by me, they're getting my whole team, which includes, for them, we have paralegals that are case managers, my entire staff, and also attorneys other than myself that work on different parts of their case. So, I find that really sets us apart, because what I've found is that in workers' compensation, there's a lot of smaller solo practitioners that just really don't have that type of manpower behind them. Hi, I'm Kiana Mitchell at Mitchell & Associates. You can reach us and you can contact us at 2Hurt2Work.com.